Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to create this look inspired by Bhumi, and I am inspired by the Dhime Dhime song from Pati Patni Aur Wo. So I really like the movie and Bhumi was looking beautiful in this song. Throughout the movie she was looking fab, but this particular song and her look was my favorite. So today I thought let's create a look inspired by her. So today I will be creating this look with just PAK Cosmetics products. Yes guys, I have used all of my PAK Cosmetics, and guys, also the brushes and the sponge I have used is also from PAK Cosmetics. I am going to mention their link down in the description box below. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I don't get PR from PAK Cosmetics. It's just I really like PAK Cosmetics and I thought let's do a one brand tutorial and let's do something like this. And this is probably the wedding guest look for you guys. You don't have to wear any earring or neck pieces, just go for a very heavy mang tikka and you're gonna look fab. I didn't expect this look to be so good on me. I mean, this look looks beautiful on her, but on me I think I really like this look as well. Let me know if you guys like this look on me in the comment section below. I know the lip shade is very different from her, but that's okay. I am just inspired by her look. I mean, the full attire looked so beautiful and the heavy mang tikka was looking bomb. So that's the inspiration I took from this song, is a heavy mang tikka and a beautiful simple nude look. And yes, if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look inspired by her, then please keep on watching. So first let's start with this. This is the PAK Pore Separation Cream and this is a primer. I'm going to take a little bit of product and I'm just going to apply it on my T-zone. Next up, for my foundation, I will be using the PAK HD Liquid Foundation. I have two shades with me. This is 2.1, which is 1 or 2 shades lighter from my skin, I believe. And 3.3 is way more darker. So I like to mix both of them. So yeah, let's take one pump of this. This is 2.1 and a little bit of this, which is 3.3. Okay, now I'm taking this 07 and I'm going to highlight my under eyes. Now I'm going to contour my face with the Take Cover Concealer Crayon in the shade D32. So now to set my under eyes and a little bit under the contour, I will be using this HD Definition Powder from PAK Cosmetics. This is a video of PAK Cosmetics anyway guys. So I'm going to take a little bit and set my face. I am not going to bake. Also guys, the brush I used for setting my face is the PAK 214 brush. Okay, so now for contouring, I will be using this PAK contour palette and I think this is in the shade 02. Yes, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to use this shade from the PAK palette, and for contouring I'm using the PAK 330 brush. So guys, as I don't have any blush from PAK, I will be using their eyeshadow and this is in the number 25. And this is how the shade looks like. And to apply my blush, I'm using the PAK 306 stippling brush. So guys, now I'm going to set my face with the PAK Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. For my highlighter, as you guys know, I am going to use my PAK Baked Highlighter and this is in the shade number 03. And the brush today I'm using is the PAK 213 Fluffy Blending Brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the product because I don't have any fan brush. I'm going to use the eyeshadow blending brush to blend out my highlighter. I do think the highlighter is looking a little bit more golden today. So today I am using eyeshadow from PAK Cosmetics, and I absolutely love this eyeshadow for my highlighter. And this is the eyeshadow number 15. And you can see I have hit the pan because I absolutely love this. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and just go above my previous highlighter. Now I'm taking this 115 brush from PAK and I'm going to highlight my nose with this. So guys, everything is done. Now for my brows, I don't have anything from PAK Cosmetics. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be back. So guys, I have already primed my eyelids with the PAK Spotlight Concealer in the shade 08. Now let's move on to my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I have two options. This is the PAK 7 Colors Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and these are my single eyeshadow palette from PAK Cosmetics. I have bought this earlier, and I have so many beautiful shades in this range. You can see in single eyeshadow range, and I will be using this palette today. Okay, so the first shade I'm using is matte eyeshadow number 28, and the brush I'm using is PAK 204. Next, to add some definition, I'm using the shade number 07, and the brush here I'm using is PAK 126. Next, I'm taking the PAK matte eyeshadow number 09, and I'm going to add a little bit of more definition, and I will apply this shade with the same brush. Now I'm going to use the same shades on my lower lash line with this PAK 202 pencil brush. Now for my lid, I'm using this PAK Pure Pigment Eyeshadow PP20 Antique Rose, and this is how the shade looks like. So as I don't have any shader brush from PAK, I'm using my Morphe shader brush. Now I am using the same eyeshadow which I used for my highlighter. I'm going to apply this on my brow bone and my inner corners. As I don't have any mascara from PAK, I am using my Forever 52 mascara. And for my lashes, I am using this PAK M83, and the lash glue I will be using is also from PAK. Lastly, for my waterline, I'm using the PAK Long Lasting Kohl Pencil in the shade Skin. Now for completing this eye look, I am going to take a little bit of this chocolatey brown shadow, and this is number 10. I'm going to take it on my pencil brush, and I'm just going to smudge my upper lash line. So guys, now to finish off this look, I am using this PAK Retro Matte Gloss in the number 7. And this is how the shade looks like. You can see it's a beautiful nude shade. And on top of that, I'm using the mini retro matte gloss in the shade 03, and this is from the nude collection. So guys, to complete this whole look, I am going for this beautiful Mang Tika, and I bought this from Hathi Bagan. So yeah. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys find this video helpful and like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, I will mention the product details down in the description box below with their links, so don't forget to check that out. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.